Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by preparing the workspace and tools so you avoid damage. Power the unit down, unplug everything, and remove any cards. This prevents shorting and moving parts. Once done, flip the device and remove visible screws along the perimeter using a Phillips #0, keeping screws organized in a tray. Make sure to leave internal screws alone until panels start to loosen. Use a plastic pry tool at a corner. Pry gently so you feel clips releasing rather than forcing parts apart. You continue by methodically working around the edge to free the cover clips. Start at an accessible corner and move clockwise, releasing each clip in turn to avoid warping. As you lift the cover a fraction, inspect beneath for hidden screws or ribbon cables. These often secure the inner tab. If you see a ribbon, unlock its latch and slide the connector out gently. Once clips and ribbons are cleared, lift the cover just enough to clear any internal guide pins, making sure nothing snags as you move. You finish by lifting the cover straight up and back, guiding it clear of any guide pins and ensuring cables stay free. This prevents tearing connectors. Once removed, inspect clip tabs and foam seals, replacing any broken pieces before reassembly. Clean mating surfaces with a lint-free cloth to keep seals effective. If you feel resistance at any point, stop and recheck for missed screws or ribbons. Forcing the cover risks breaking plastic tabs, so backtrack and resolve the obstruction before proceeding.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.